So this is our PT demo with the machine vision camera. We have kept all the parcels at once, and this is the whole setup for now. With this camera, the first one with the lights is actually capturing the barcode. The other camera is capturing it visually, and it is giving it to our HCP software. There's a software, two softwares running in the background. One is Code Platform, the other one is HCP. So in HCP, when we give the input of the barcode 192 or 194, something like that, and if we click on search, we'll get that particular barcode, and if we click on that, we'll get the live feed of both the cameras. We have connected one more camera here, so it will give the table view as well as the view of this table.